This is your number one professional teacher, PRESDO. We thank the Almighty God for a successful day. This is another day the Lord has made. Let us be glad and rejoice in it. If you are new to the channel, as I keep on saying, whether you are new or not new, you have been revisiting the channel, please keep on subscribing. Subscribe to the channel and share it to your loved ones. Today, as we started with the previous lessons, mapping and relation, today we are moving a step further. So we are taking range of a function. Range of a function. The other day, you do remember that I told you about the domain and the codomain, where we have the x values and we also have the y values. We did about the mapping as in one-to-one, many-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many mapping. Today we are moving to a range of a function. Range of a function. Now look at it. It says take the range of the function f of x is said that or maps to 1 minus 2x. This is the first question, which is the I. Then the I we say h of x maps to 2x out of 2 minus x. And you are being told to find the range of the function. The first one, let's tackle the I. So we say solution, question 1, f of x is said that 1 minus 2x. In solving for this, the first thing you have to do is to make y equal to f of x. So we say let y equal to f of x. So this f of x, we are mapping it or we are equating it to y. So in this case, we say our y is equal to the whole of this. It's like f of x is equal to this. So we say y is equal to this. This means let here be y so that it will be equal to our 1 minus 2x. I hope you've understood. Then after this, we are to make x the subject, but not y. Here, y is the subject. Y is the subject of the equation, but we are to make x the subject. So we can proceed and say, make x the subject. In this case, our y equal to 1 minus 2x will rather be in making x the subject. Just look at it very carefully. We have y equal to 1 minus 2x. So if we are to make the x the subject, it means we have to take the 2x to cross the equal sign, so that we take this one to also cross the equal sign. So we will make this one to cross the sign, and in making it crossing the sign, we have minus 2x, which is negative 2x. So crossing the sign will make it positive. So we will have our 2x is equal to the one is already there. And this one is positive y. So when it also crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative. So we will have our 2x equal to 1 minus y. And the question, we are saying make x the subject, not 2x. So what we have to do is that we take the number standing with the variable, which is the 2, to divide, because we want to take it to the other side so that the x alone can stand. And in taking the 2 to the other side, what we do to the left side, do the same to the right side. So we will have here divided by 2, here also divided by 2, so that the 2 can take off the 2. We have our x alone here. So we have x is equal to 1 minus y out of 2. And in having this, we say, since x is defined for all values of real numbers, you see that here is 2. So since the value for x is defined for all real values, we say that y is said that y is equal to real number. Y is said that y is equal to a real number, or y is a real number. That means we are done. This is what you are supposed to write at the end. We are done. because here we have our x and we have here the denominator to be what? 2. So x is equal to 2, meaning it is what? A real number. It's defined. It's a defined number. I hope you've understood the lesson. Because of time, let's proceed. Start with the question 2. H is said that h of x maps to 2x all over 2 minus x. So just like what we did here with the question 1, start with the question 2 and leave your answer at the comment section and we will get there. Thank you.